Hola, my name is Sandy. This is Indi and Lily. I make and design island jewelry for my online store Adorn Pacific, from Fiji to the rest of the world. Subscribe to follow my journey. Hi everyone, I thought I'd just film myself packing an order because this is kind of a nice one. It is one that we do get often where a gift is bought for someone else and it's sent directly to the recipient. Yeah, so this is from a husband who's overseas sending an anniversary gift to his wife who's in Fiji. He's chosen the day that he wants it delivered and it's being sent to her address. And a card has also been chosen. We have a whole range of beautiful Fiji designed and Fiji inspired cards for all occasions. They're by Island Inspired. It's a Fijian company. They have their own website as well, but we stock all of her cards on the website. So at checkout you can choose to add a card and also leave a note. Isn't that beautiful? On really gorgeous textured paper. They're really high quality cards. They're about $7 Fiji on the website, and I've handwritten the note that he wanted to include onto that card. So that's a little extra in there. Then I always have these. Oh, hi Andy. I'm just doing a video. Come in. What's happening? Say hi. I'll keep going. I always include these postcards with just a little bit of information on the back as well. I handwrite them for every order. On this one, I've just included care information and a few other details like that. And also that if you share a selfie that we can use on our Facebook and Instagram and website, and give us your email address, then we will email you a little gift voucher to say thank you for that, because that all helps my business to grow. Okay, so that will be in there as well. And he has also ordered an extra purse just on its own. So you can just buy one, I think they're $8 Fiji, one of these little purses, little zippered pouches with a hula pom-pom and some gorgeous bulla fabric. And they're just really nice to use for anything, a little coin purse, maybe to package another gift. So he's added that. And now he has ordered our bulla set, a little frangipani set. So it comes all in gold. Everything is ordered in gold. Obviously knows what his wife likes to wear. So here is, that is moving a lot. That's the frangipani necklace. The chain is adjustable. It also comes with a matching, thank you Indi, the matching frangipani earrings, also an 18 karat gold vermeil, and the matching ring. The ring is quite easy to buy because it's adjustable. They come in just two sizes, small, medium, or medium large, and you can push the flowers together or pull them further apart. And this one's so beautiful. It's almost like a little cocktail ring. It's just gorgeous. So he got that set. And then one of our pre-engraved, this is not a custom engraved, this is a pre-engraved one, necklace, just a simple little bar necklace that says love. That'll be back to front for you, I guess. Love you. Ooh, I don't know if you can see that. Love you. So it says love you on it, which I thought is so sweet. So that's the jewelry he got. And then everything comes with one of these cards with just some information about our business, about our jewelry. Maybe she wants to order more, maybe she wants to read more about the jewelry she got. Yeah, or pass it on to a friend. And then the set will go in one bag Love You necklace will go in another bag. So 3 bags altogether in this parcel. So this is our standard packaging. This is hand woven little purses with the same zipper, a really good quality zipper. And my tag. Wow, that's not coming in focus at all, but it says, there we go, Adorn Pacific Island Jewels, a little hula pom-pom. They hold their shape, they're such good quality, they're beautifully made, and support local women who weave for me. Little income for them, so I'll show you again. They're so nice and super protective when I'm shipping, and since everything is shipped, it's a good thing it's protected. And then the jewelry all goes into this little drawstring bag, little small one that can be reused, and everything then goes into one big one. I actually have 2 fabrics, and I change the fabrics often, and it's kind of potluck for what you get. If you know my brand well and you want to request a color, or you want to say, hey, what fabrics are you using at the moment, can I choose? That's no problem, you can ask me, but otherwise I'll just choose one. At the moment I have 2 colors. That's the other one. So she will get all of this in her package, and yeah, I'll ship by, oops, shouldn't show you that side, has her address on it, TNT. They're fantastic. So you get tracking. Thanks, Indi. You will get tracking information emailed to you. TNT pick up from me every single day in the evening, and she'll have it the next morning. And hopefully, Indi, you're so distracting. Yeah, and then we use TNT. Okay, I can't finish this video because Indi wants to play, and I've got a few more hours time before the courier comes, so I'll pause on this and finish packaging later. School holidays, there's not a lot of work happening right now. Walking for about 15 minutes, quite uphill, It's really hot, so humid, dripping in sweat, and it's all gonna be worth it for this. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Vanaka!